This is how you can clear RAM on an Android phone. So what you have to do is to locate your settings app on your device like this, and you want to find the options below. So scroll through it a little bit, and you want to find the section for device care. And of course we have things like battery, storage, and so on, but we are interested currently in the memory, which is, in other words, the RAM used of the phone. So I can click on the memory like this. It of course depends on your specific device and how much you actually have available, but for me, you can see there are a couple of things running in the background on this, like very limited 4 gigabytes of RAM, but I can click on a clean now like this, and it will clean the processes running in the background and hopefully free up some space. So it's not too much, but it definitely is something. There's also the RAM Plus at the bottom, which can kind of like extend your current RAM. So if you are on this phone or in this situation like me, then you can use this to get some additional RAM space, even though it's been questioned whether it makes any difference or not, but the option is definitely in there. So that's how you can clear RAM. However, if you want to do it specifically for individual apps, you can also go to the apps section in your settings, find an application which you've been using, for example this web browser, and you can as well click on the storage in here and clear cache as well as clear data for individual apps, and that's how you can also free up some storage and make the phone a little bit lighter. So that's what you can do, and that's how you can make that work. So subscribe to Foxtecc so you don't miss videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.